Hey folks, Tim Thomas here in the command center. Get excited, get excited. Got some more important updates. Talk about some free gifts. Nutty Mike has done it again, folks. Has done it again. Over $10,000 value in free gifts. Important date. We have a new administrative office, folks. There is the address, located in Frisco, Texas. That is the new office. Keep it, guys. And that's where we're going to mail all of the orders to going forward. Could not be more excited. Let's talk about what's new. Can you mail this postcard, folks? Can you mail that postcard right there? If you can mail a postcard right there, folks, you can receive $1,000 payments in the mail on a consistent basis. And we're live from the command center. We're going to dive into this, what Nutty Mike has done, and give you some quick updates, talk about some free gifts, and talk about what's way cool, folks. We've got a new website coming and a lot more value. Stay tuned. Hit that like button, folks. We're going to talk to you about what we feel you can make in this program. Of course, income disclaimer. Folks, in life, nothing happens until you take action and do a lot of it. Santa arrives early this year in 2023. Folks, how about Santa coming in January, February, March, April? Santa can come every day of the year if you want him to. Folks, this is exciting times. This is the command center, guys, and what we're doing over here, direct mail done right. I'm over on the countertop, folks. UPS just bought a truck to the house. Look at the flyers that we've got going out. The $1,000 a week flyer, the new Millionaire Mailer flyers. Folks, and they're stacked up and ready. Direct mail done right. And folks, we're mailing. Fast money mail order system, and we're off to the races. Look, folks, look at this. There is a tip. Folks. I went to Staples, got a $20 stamp, and I stamped it. Urgent, time sensitive. Folks, you want to open up your mail, you get a response rate a little faster. Folks, that's incredible. And look at this. This is direct mail done right. But hey, we're not here to talk about the $1,000 a week solution flyer to millionaire mailers. All these things are rocking and rolling, folks. This is how you get thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per month into your home. Again, income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. The Nutty Mike program is exploding, folks. We are going forward, and I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. Again, let's talk about what's new. We've got this new thing that's just been sent to all the members in the mail. Folks, we're on fire. Folks, when you join, you're going to get a marketing kit. In the marketing kit, it has ideas, it has mailing list, it has mindset, it has resources. Folks, the mailing list alone, the guide, the information, the mindset, the thinkability, the marketing kit alone, folks, if you didn't get anything else, it's worth its price of admission, folks. That's incredible. In that marketing kit, folks, you're going to also get leads. You're going to not only get 10,000, you're going to get 10,000 leads, over 10,000 leads on a jump drive that you can have printed off. And folks, that is incredible to me. Folks, you can get paid via Cash App, Zelle. I want to give a big shout out to Gary down in Texas. Gary just joined today. I want to give a big shout out to Cynthia over in Wichita, Kansas, and all the new members that are looking at this thing. This is absolutely powerful. Here's what we've done. For every sign up you receive, you will now get 100 jumbo 6x9 postcards mailed for you absolutely free, no cost to you. This goes out to super responsive people. This includes first class mail, folks, and that is incredible at no cost to you. That's what Nutty Mike is doing for us. Folks, that is considered a free gift. Another free gift, folks. We also added feature printed inside the marketing guide 3.0, new marketing add-ons and plugins. Folks, your name's going to be attached to the mailing list. So instead of you just sell one time, folks, guess what? You can automatically make another 3,000, 1,500, 299 payments made over to you over and over again. And folks, more information about this will be in the new 3.0 marketing guide. Folks, that's incredible. And folks, the new auto rotator. If you're a current member, guys, take advantage of this thing. Here's another free gift, guys. You can get another professional video and it can be customized to you, folks. My video is on my channel. It is absolutely astounding as to what that video is doing for me. I could not be more excited. And again, folks, you don't have to have a YouTube channel. Can you mail a flyer? Can you put a name label? Well, that's somebody mailed me a postcard. Can you put a name label right there and put this in the mail and do it over and over and over? Get your mailing list. Get the mailing list, guys. Mailing list, and keep mailing. If you never produce a video, folks, we've got people doing amazing things in this program, and they're not on a social media channel. Folks, this is exciting. Very, very exciting. Folks, here's how it all works. Everybody that you know, folks, are going to be wanting this flyer, and you can be a part of what we've got going on with this flyer. Great things are happening. Get started now. Information will be below the bottom of the video. I highly recommend Nutty Mike's new IKeepItAll.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.